Ready to ditch the clunky cash register and unlock the freedom of mobile retail? In this video, we'll walk you through setting up and using Shopify POS on your tablet so you can manage your business from anywhere. First, head to the App Store on your iPad or the Google Play Store on your Android tablet and search for Shopify POS. Tap Install and wait for the app to download. Once installed, open the app and log in using your Shopify store credentials. You will see the main screen where you can see your products, start a new sale, access settings, and manage your inventory. To make a sale, tap on the products your customer wants to buy. You can adjust the quantity by tapping the plus or minus buttons. Tap the checkout button to proceed to payment. Choose your customer's preferred payment method: cash, credit card, or any other payment options you set up in your Shopify store. Once the payment is processed, you can email or print a receipt for your customer. And that's it. You're now ready to take your Shopify store on the go with Shopify POS on your tablet. Start selling anywhere, anytime.